Chapter 5. What is the difference between 99% quality and 6 Sigma level of performance? In this chapter, you will learn what is the difference between 99% and 6 Sigma level of performance. 6 Sigma level of performance is also known as 99.9997% level of performance. You may say, Ross, 99% quality is good enough for the customer. Then why is there a need for driving 6 Sigma level of quality, that is 99.9997% quality? Well, here's a snapshot of the difference between these two variables. At 99%, more than 110,000 newborn babies are accidentally dropped by doctors and nurses each year. Whereas at 6 Sigma, less than 38 newborn babies are accidentally dropped by doctors and nurses each year. At 99%, no electricity for 85 hours each year. Whereas at 6 Sigma, no electricity for only 9 minutes in 5 years. At 99%, no television transmission for nearly 64 minutes per week. Whereas at 6 Sigma, no television transmission for 11 minutes in 10 years. At 99%, 4 short or long plane landings per day. Whereas at 6 Sigma, 1 short or long landing every 2 years. At 99%, 16 railway accidents per day. Whereas at 6 Sigma, 2 railway accidents per year. At 99%, 16 minutes per week of unsafe water supply. Whereas at 6 Sigma, 1.4 minutes of unsafe water every 5 years. Well, now you know the reason why 6 Sigma has been the most successful process improvement methodology since the 1980s. Summary. In this chapter, you learnt the difference between 99% and 6 Sigma level of performance.